Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. We are Group 1. My name is Nazila Aula Putri.
My name is Mubin Musyafa.
My name is Salsa Nabila Safiana.
Today we are going to present a topic about request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice. These expressions are commonly used in daily conversation and are important for communicating politely and clearly. We hope this presentation will help everyone understand this expression better. Let's start our presentation.
For the first objective of the study, number 1, to understand the use of request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice expression in English communication. Number 2, to identify and differentiate the expression of request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice in conversation. Number 3, to use request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice correctly in daily and business communication. Number 4, to analyze the reading text in related by the title.
1. This use of request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice expression in English communication. In English communication, people use various expressions to interact politely and effectively. These expressions include request, asking someone to do something; permission, asking or giving approval; offer, offering help or something to others; suggestion, giving ideas or plans; advice, giving recommendation or opinions. Each expression has a different function in communication. 2. The expression of request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice in conversation. In English conversation, it is important to recognize and distinguish different expressions because each has a different purpose. 1. Request. Purpose: to ask someone to do something politely. Common expression: can you, could you, would you mind? Example: could you explain this lesson again? Can you send the email today? Would you mind closing the door? 2. Permission. Purpose: to ask for or give approval. Common expression: may I, can I, it is okay if I. Example: may I borrow your book? Can I have the office early today? Is it okay if I open the window? 3. Offer. Purpose: to offer help or provide something. Common expression: can I help you? Shall I? Would you like? Example: can I help you with your homework? Shall I carry you back? Would you like some coffee? 4. Suggestion. Purpose: to give an idea or plan for others to consider. Common expression: let's, why don't we solve. Example: let's study together. Why don't we discuss this problem tomorrow? We should start the meeting now. Advice. Purpose: to give recommendation about what someone should do. Common expression: you should, you ought to, if were you. Example: you should take a rest. You ought to prepare for the test. If were you, I want some more money.
Number 1, request. Purpose: to ask someone to do something. Expression: can you, could you, would you mind? Example: could you help me with the report? Purpose: request is an expression used to ask something to do something politely. Common expression: can you, could you, would you mind? Example, can you close the window, please? Could you lend me your notebook? Would you mind waiting for a moment? Number 2, permission. Propose to ask or give a plural expression. May I? Can I? It's okay if I. Example, may I leave early today? Propose to ask for or give a plural before doing something. Expression, may I? Can I? It's okay if I. Example, may I join your group? Can I borrow your pen? It's okay if I sit here. Offer, propose to offer help. Example, shall I carry your bag? Propose to offer help, assistance of service or to someone. Expression, can I help you? Shall I? Let's meet. Example, can I help you carry this bag? Number 2, shall I open the door for you? Number 3, let me explain to listen again. Suggestion, propose to give ideas. Example, let's study together. Propose to give ideas or recommendation to someone. Expression, you should, wouldn't you, why don't you, how about. Example, you should exercise regularly. Why don't you ask your teacher for help? How about studying together this afternoon? Advice, propose to give recommendation. Example, you should study harder. Propose to give guidance or recommendation for a better decision. Expression, you should, you go to. If I were you, I would. Example, you should manage your time better. You ought to finish your assessment early. If I were you, I would prepare for the presentation now. Comparison of expression. In comparison, expression, purpose, common expression, and example. Request, purpose ask someone to do something. Common expression, could you? Example, could you explain this lesson again? Permission, purpose ask for a plural. Common expression, may I? Example, may I your book? Offer, purpose offer help. Common expression, shall I? Example, shall I carry your bag? Suggestion, purpose give ideas. Common expression, let's. An example, let's study together. Advice, give recommendation. Common expression, you should. Example, you should take a rest.
And I want to explain a little about the material. The material is request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice correctly in daily and business communication. These expressions are widely used in both daily life and professional environments. Daily communication explains the first, request, could you help me carry these books? And second, permission, can I use your phone? And third, offer, would you like some tea? The fourth, suggestion, let's watch a movie tonight. And the last, advice, you should get more sleep. And the business communication explains the first request, could you send the financial report by tomorrow? Second, permission, may I join the meeting? The third, offer, I can assist you with the presentation. The fourth, suggestion, we should improve our marketing strategy. And the last, advice, you should focus on customer satisfaction to increase sales. And the fourth, concept map. The first, request, purpose to ask someone to do something. Focus, other people help you. Example, can you or could you plus verb 1. And will you plus verb 1. And would you mind plus verb ing. Example, could you help me? That is permission. And the first concept, and the fourth concept map. Second, permission, purpose to ask for approval to do something. Focus, getting agreement. The first, can or could plus verb 1. And second, may I plus verb 1. The example is my I go out. And the third, purpose to offer help I, focus helping others, shall I plus verb 1. And example, can I help you? There's also would you like me to plus verb 1. The example, shall I carry your bag? And concept map the 4, suggestion. Purpose to give ideas or option. I suggest plus verb ing. You should plus verb 1. Why don't you plus verb 1? And how about plus verb ing? The example is how about going to the library? And the 5, there is advice. Purpose to give strong recommendation. You should plus verb 1. You ought to plus verb 1. And if I were you, I will plus verb 100. You had better plus verb 1. And the example, you should study harder. And the last, there is conclusion. In conclusion, understanding request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice is essential for effective communication in English. This expression help people interact politely, express their intention clearly, and build good relationship in both daily life and professional setting. By recognizing their different purpose and using them correctly, we can communicate more confidently, respectfully, and successfully in various situations.
That's all from our group presentation today. We hope this presentation has helped you understand the expression of request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice better. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, we will be happy to answer them. Thank you and have a great day.